Okay, so today we will learn how to make this glassmorphism effect, and it's quite really simple. Just download this. I've just downloaded this background from Unsplash, and it's easily available. Just to show you the effect. For example, let's make a credit card shaped square rectangle like this, a little rounded edges, and okay. So from fill, we will make it linear, white, and arrange it like this. Okay, so 70% for this, and 30% for this. Yeah, that will be great. Now create a stroke, and stroke will also be white and linear like this. Okay, make it 60%. That's okay. Now create effects like layer blur. We will make it 20. That's okay. Now drop shadow, make it 40 and 20, and it should be 10%. That's okay. And instead of layer blur, just go to background blur. That's okay. Now this is the perfect glassmorphism shape. You can create anything you like here. Like you can create something, the layers panel, or like this. Here should be the layers panel. Here should be the other tools like you want, like this. So you can create a complete UX design of an app for spatial computing, like Apple Vision Pro or anything you like for Oculus or all these. So hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, just hit the bell and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.